You know, many houses have to have gutters in order to manage the water from their roofs. And the gutters go into a downspout like this. And then what I find is that often then they just drop the water into the garden and it kills all my plants.
A lot of times you can have a splash block that'll help disperse the water a little bit, but in a case like this, there'd be just too much water in one area. So what we've done is we've buried a flexible pipe, turned it with the downspout in it, and going straight over in that direction.
Now what you've used over here is a catch basin. And really a catch basin is just a plastic box. You set it in the ground and it's got both outlets and inlets. The pipe that's come down from that downspout goes through the ground and drops all its water as well as all its debris in the box. And then you can just pop off this grate and clean it out. So you can keep all these runs very, very clean and keep the water flowing beautifully through here.
And another thing that's good about this type of drain is it'll handle a lot of surface water, like the water that'll come over the patio or into this adjacent area and again go right into this drain.
Now once you've collected all the water in the catch basin, you have an outlet, which will be a pipe then draining that water from there to somewhere else in the garden. And if you can keep it as short a run as possible, that's better.